gotta be in the
Happy birthday, Si! I love you! Sana lumaki kang mabait!
Happy birthday, Drixie! Ang aking panganay na po. Enjoy your day and sana lahat ng wishes ng mga taong bisita mo ay matupad. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Drixie! I love you. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Saka kahit malayo kami o nila kuya, nila daddy mo, nila papa, lagi mo lang kami i-message. Tapos lagi lang kami nandyan para sa'yo. Hanggang sa tumanda ka, lumaki ka, at ikaw pa rin ang baby girl ko. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Drixie! I love you!
Happy birthday, Drixie. Sana lahat sumunod ka sa mga magulang mo at huwag ka makikipag-away sa mga kaibigan mo. Happy birthday, Drixie! Happy 7th birthday! God bless!
Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and ingat palagi. And also, laging makikinig kay mommy and daddy. And maging mas ate pa kay Dax. Lalo na ngayon, 7 ka na. Ayun lang. Laging mag-iingat, mag-aral mabuti. And galingan sa iyong school. Yun lamang. Thank you. Ingat. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Drixie!
Hi guys! Welcome to my party!
step outside. It's like negative degrees. No, I ain't trying to freeze. I'm just trying to bring the heat.
Happy 7th birthday to my darling niece. These past 7 years has been filled with so much laughter because of you. May your heart always stay as big as your dreams. And we love you always. Thank you.
The sun is shining, yeah, it's time to get up. The clouds are here, but they're about to let up. It's a good, good life. It's time to feel alive.
Happy birthday, ate! Love you! Thank you sa mga nagpunta. Thank you sa pag-attend nyo. Pag-celebrate kasama si Drixie. Thank you kay Mami sa sa pag-effort niya. Thank you sa family namin tsaka sa mga tropa. Thank you. Love you.
The clouds are here, but they're about to let up. It's a good, good life. It's time to feel It's a good, good life. It's time to
Happy 7th birthday, ate. Lagi namin pinagpipray ng daddy mo na sana palagi kayong healthy at sana matupad mo yung lahat ng dreams mo, paglaki mo, at enjoy ka lang lagi sa buhay. Love you, ate.